Welcome back, Outcasts. Alright, so today it's nice and windy and cool, so I'm getting up on the RV to continue the roof maintenance that I need to get done, especially before the torrential rainfall comes in a few days for a whole week. So I'm going to set up in hyperspeed, let you watch me doing some caulking and tape covering on my RV roof. And then right now I'm filling up the water tank as well, because at about a third of a tank the pump starts acting up and getting mad about it. So I'm filling the tank once we get to a third full. That's a good rule of thumb anyways, right? Just like our vehicles. My vehicle hits half a tank of gas, whatever I'm driving, I'm filling that thing up. That way, in the case that the power grid goes down or some shenanigans happens, at least I've got some runway before I've got a fuel problem. Same with water. All right, right now I'm filling my water tank like I should be filling it. Really, I ought to be filling it at halfway up or halfway down, but we'll get there. The process is right. All right, so enjoy the show. Also, we got a load of mulch in yesterday, right there. So that's encouraging, because now I can continue to place mulch around my uncle's rig and around the garden bed and try to get control of the wild land. All right, hope you enjoy the show. Let's stay weird together. To your liberty, the Outcast Commander ain't out yet.